We'll guide you through how to register a YouTube account vidIQ. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to grow their YouTube channel using vidIQ, but do not know how to install and connect the extension properly. Beginners especially need clear, step-by-step guidance to avoid mistakes. First, turn on your computer or laptop and wait until the system fully loads to the desktop screen. Next, connect your device to a stable internet connection to ensure the process runs smoothly without interruptions. Open Google Chrome on your computer and confirm that it is updated to the latest version by checking the browser settings and installing any available updates. Once Chrome is ready, go to the Chrome Web Store website by typing its address into the browser's address bar. In the Chrome Web Store, type vidIQ Vision for YouTube into the search bar and press Enter to begin searching. From the search results, click on the official vidIQ extension and carefully verify that the publisher name is vidIQ to avoid installing unofficial versions. Click the Add to Chrome button, then click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Wait patiently until the installation process is complete. After it finishes, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of Chrome to open the extensions menu. Find vidIQ in the extension list, and click the pin icon next to it to pin vidIQ to the toolbar for easy access. Open a new tab in Chrome and go to youtube.com. If you are not logged in, click Sign In and enter your Google email address. Then click Next. Enter your Google account password and click Next again to log into your account. Once you are signed in, click the vidIQ icon in the top right corner of the browser. Click Sign Up or Get Started, then choose Sign In with Google. Select the Google account connected to your YouTube channel and click Allow to grant the required permissions. Wait while vidIQ connects to your YouTube account. When prompted to choose a plan, select the free plan, confirm your selection, and finish the setup process to start using vidIQ.